Money multiplier is a term in monetary economics that is a phenomenon of creating money in the economy in the form of credit creation, which is based on the fractional reserve banking system. Money multiplier is also known as the monetary multiplier. It is the maximum limit to which money supply can be affected by bringing about changes in the amount of money deposits. The money multiplier effect is seen in commercial banks as they accept deposits, and after keeping a certain amount as a reserve, they distribute the money as loans for injecting liquidity in the economy. The amount of money that should be kept by commercial banks in their reserve for withdrawal purposes by the customers is referred to as the reserve ratio, required reserve ratio, or cash reserve ratio. Mathematically, money multiplier formula can be represented as money multiplier equals to 1 divided by R, where R represents required reserve ratio or cash reserve ratio. It means that if the reserve ratio is higher, then the money multiplier will be lower and the banks need to keep more reserves. As a result, they will not be able to lend more money to individuals and businesses. Similarly, a lower reserve ratio results in a higher money multiplier that allows a lesser amount of money to be kept as a reserve and more lending opportunities to the public. This completes the topic on the money multiplier formula, which plays an important role in credit creation in the economy.